Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jackie Lunatam, 40 years old, married with three children, ages 20, 18, and 10. I live in La Trinidad, Benguet, Philippines, and finished high school. I have experience in elderly care and babysitting for 6 years here in the Philippines. In my first employer, I babysat a 2-year-old boy and 1-month-old girl from 2015 to 2018. My duties are preparing their food, feeding, changing their diapers, playing with them, and taking care to daycare. I also took care of a 75-year-old grandfather from 2019 to 2022. My responsibilities is giving him medicine on time, cooking his meals according to his diet plan, and taking him to his doctor's appointment. I am trustworthy, hardworking, honest, and I'm also willing to learn new things and to follow my employer's rules. Ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to finish my full-term contract and to work with your family according as long as you needed my service. I hope you hire me as your helper. Good day and thank you. God bless.